Ah, what a nice day on the beach, Jason.
Yeah, what a beautiful day on the beach.
Huh? What is that?
Oh no!
Huh? There's plastic on the beach. That's not okay.
But this is also plastic. But I see a paper inside.
What does it say?
Dear humans, can you help me? We have a big problem. There is a lot of trash in the ocean.
We cannot clean it up ourselves. Will you help us? You can use our submarine. Please help us get rid of the trash. Thank you. The sharks.
Let's use a submarine, Alex.
Hey, that's a great idea. Let's go. We're in the submarine and now we're gonna find out how to get rid of all the trash in the ocean.
Yeah. Whoa.
We're in a submarine. Whoa, a shark.
Cool!
Whoa. Cool shot.
Whoa, another shark.
Awesome. How many sharks are there?
The lost shark.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa, I see a shark.
Hey shark, we got your message. What can we do?
Hi guys! Good to see you here. Thank you for helping us. There is a lot of plastic in the ocean. Plastic is very dangerous for us. Can you help us clean it up?
Join Pocket.Watch, the big green.
World needs your help. Alex, we need to clean up the ocean for the sharks so they won't die.
Yeah, we have to get rid of all the plastics.
Whoa.
Huh? Plastic bottles? So deep in the water?
What?
Okay guys, we got the plastic bottles.
Oh yeah!
Okay, that's step one. Whoa.
That is the second shot.
Whoa, good job guys! I see you already cleaned up some plastic. But there is still a lot of plastic down there. Can you guys clean up more plastic?
Do you have to get rid of more plastic out of the ocean?
I think we do. Whoa!
Jason, look! More plastic bags!
Let's get the bags out of the oceans.
Alright, we got the plastic bags. They're out of the ocean now.
Good job, Alex.
Thank you. Oh.
Whoa! Hey, I see another shark.
Hi shark, we're now at the bottom of the ocean. We cleaned a lot of plastic. What else can we do to help?
Wow, thank you so much guys. You did a great job. The sharks can now swim safe through the water. You can still help us by cleaning up your own trash by putting it in a trash bin.
Okay shark, from now on we're gonna throw all the trash in the trash bin and we're gonna make sure the ocean will be clean.
Of course.
I accept Pocket.Watch, the big green challenge.
Save the earth.